Oh wait, I got this.
Just put it. Oops, you dropped it.
Oh, I don't want him to eat my camera.
No, he's about to lick your face. Okay, dude, I don't have any more. Stop throwing your stuff at me.
Oh. Nice.
Come, look at this guy. I don't have any more.
He almost ate my
Get it from
finger.
both sides.
Oh, there! Look at my fingers.
Only because you're like.
Mm.
Okay, Dad, we're good.
We're good. Bye, guy.
Dad, drive.
Oh, hello. Oh, that would lick my
Oh,
arm.
he's licking my shoulder.
I think we're done. I think
What?
it's coming.
Look at that one. It's like his face is all in.
Thank God your head isn't any longer.
He's like totally in the car.
So is that one. Look at it. Its antlers are like hitting the car. Dad.
Boy, you're hairy.
I don't remember these guys last
You're a
time.
hairy guy. Okay. Yeah, you got really furry antlers.
You have a friend there, Steve.
They're taking pictures.
Does he have his head in? Okay. Well, no, don't put my. Don't leave your hands anywhere where they can be licked or touched.
Go, Dad. Why you have a chance? Oh, he got.
Oh, he just got in front of the car.
Very friendly guys here.
Yeah, he's like.
Oh, here comes one by you.
Trying to rain.
This is the place where we're gonna jump on her lap.
Go, Dad.
Oh, right behind you. Nicole.
Oh, yeah. Dang, I felt his breath. Bye, baby.
Well, I got to feel the antlers and the